Good morning, everyone. We are in the heart of Cleveland at the, let me see, St.
Clair Superior
area, 5401 Hamilton Street. We're at Rebuilders Exchange. All right, so Jess, this is a really cool concept you have for a business. What do you guys do?
We buy and sell salvage construction material. So it can be from extraordinary to ordinary or vice versa. So we have contractors who are doing demolitions. They'll bring in their material. We can sign it, sell it. They get 50% of what it sells for.
Yeah.
As a consumer, you could be a hobbyist, an architect, a builder.
You name it.
A bar owner, and you just need some materials. You can come here and get it real reasonable rates. Things are priced to sell.
Now, here's the interesting. Just give everybody just a little tidbit.
A little taste?
Yes,
a little
so
taste of our inventory?
These
in our
benches,
70,000 square feet?
Yeah, these benches came from?
A school.
Okay, up here.
This was a clean out of a recreation center, recreation.
Okay, a big recreation center. Yeah. Okay, over here, these?
Cleveland Browns Stadium.
Cleveland Browns Stadium. These were like patio tables?
Yes, correct.
Excellent. Okay, over here?
These are industrial. These were from, a lot of these were from an industrial factory that we cleaned out.
Look, $5 for those chairs. Okay, the graffiti over here.
We're showing this for a nonprofit called Graffiti Heart. So they are a conduit for graffiti artists and buyers.
Awesome, right here. These are cool.
These are what everybody needs is some theater seating in their house, or to make shelves as Brooke wants.
Right, you make shelves you mount it to a wall, boom, boom, boom. And
so we have left and right. Look.
Yep.
Oh,
well, yeah.
Two right feet.
We got two rights. Okay, that's it.
We got this.
Over here, these came from?
This was in a storage unit. So a contractor was flipping multiple homes at a time, and this was a leftover. So it's brand new in the box tiles that you can use for backsplashes.
Excellent. Come on back here, guys. All right. And over here, these doors came from?
This came from a tear out in demolition in Tremont. So these are from the early 1900s, and they come complete with hardware, which is a little bit atypical for some of this. I mean, it's beautiful.
Yeah. All right, Rebuilders Exchange. There's 70,000 square feet of all kinds of cool stuff. See, that was only 2 minutes and 45 seconds. When we come back, lots to show you guys, especially if you're rebuilding your house and you need hardwood floors. There's a hint. Stay with us.
Fox 8 News in High Definition is brought to you by Nissan of North Olmsted and I-90 News.